So we're back with a brand new product. This is a foot massager from Comfier. It does shiatsu massage, heat, compression, and vibration. All those things seem really kind of cool, so we can't wait to try this out. It says a great gift idea with the holidays about to come around the corner. It's a good idea to start looking for gifts. But then again, birthdays are always a reason to get some gifts, right? So that's year round. Okay. It says it can deal with feet up to 13, which is going to be something I'll be definitely testing out because I am size 13 feet. Okay, yeah, okay. So you got holes in there for your feet to go into. Power cord here. Zipper here to let you go in there and take these pieces out. Nice. We've got a little cover here. Extended warranty for free. Email us for blah blah blah. Okay. Power, heat, the amount of need, the air compression, and vibration. Interesting. Then in here we have your accessories. Got a manual, a little image saying nice to meet you, and then the actual power cord. So this is a separate item. It disconnects, I'm guessing probably for ease of use and carry. And then this connects here, and this will go to power. Okay, we're plugged into power. I'm gonna just turn this on. Okay, that's a low meeting. A little vibration. Off. It's high mead. And then you have compression. Nice. So that was pretty solid. I'm gonna be honest, I can't wait to actually try this on my feet, just because that compression and vibration was really solid. And it feels like it could be big enough for my giant clog stopper feet. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna set this up so I can actually try it, and then we'll be right back. Oh, it does. So I was not wrong. That felt great. I'm gonna take that with me to work and keep that under my desk. So whenever I need a foot massage at work, I can just pop those little piggies in there. Well, hopefully you guys found this helpful. You pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.